If you're exploring ways to improve your vision naturally, stay tuned. Today, we delve into the enchanting world of natural recipes that not only delight the palate but also enhance your eyesight. These carefully selected ingredients, known for their vision-boosting properties, will guide us through a culinary journey aimed at nurturing your eyes. We're diving into the world of natural recipes for clear eyesight, where each recipe is a blend of flavor and function, designed to support and improve your ocular health. Wait for recipe number 4. It will blow your mind. Join us as we share some remarkable recipes and invaluable tips that can significantly enhance your vision naturally. Number 1. Let us embark on our journey with a refreshing carrot and spinach smoothie. Carrots, abundant in beta-carotene, transform into vitamin A in the body, a crucial nutrient that enhances night vision and overall eye health. Spinach, a verdant treasure, is laden with lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to help prevent macular degeneration and cataracts. When blended together, these ingredients not only create a visually vibrant drink but also a powerhouse for eye health. The smooth texture and sweet taste make it not only a treat for the taste buds but also a boon for your eyes. Regular consumption of this smoothie could contribute significantly to maintaining the health of your eyes. Why not start your day with this energizing and beneficial beverage? Number 2. Next on our menu is a delightful blueberry and almond salad. Blueberries are famed for their high levels of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which may help to reduce eye fatigue and improve night vision. Almonds add a crunchy texture and are a fantastic source of vitamin E, which protects the eyes from free radicals that can cause tissue damage. Toss these with fresh greens and a drizzle of olive oil for a salad that's as nutritious as it is delicious. This dish is not just a feast for the eyes with its burst of colors, but also a protective meal against the oxidative stress that can harm our vision. Enjoy this salad regularly to harness the full potential of its eye-protective nutrients. Number 3. Our third chapter highlights omega-3 rich fish dishes. Omega-3 fatty acids are vital for maintaining eye health, particularly DHA, which is a major structural component of the retina. Wild salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent sources of these essential fats. Preparing these fish with light seasoning and pairing them with fresh vegetables can provide a heart-healthy meal that greatly benefits eye health. The oils in these fish help combat dry eyes and maintain the fluidity of the cell membranes in the eyes. Incorporating these dishes into your weekly diet can be a pivotal step towards clearer and healthier vision. Let the natural flavors of the sea enhance your diet and your sight. Number 4. Now, to the star of our show. Citrus and berry-infused water. Staying adequately hydrated is essential for maintaining the health of all body tissues, including those in the eyes. Adding slices of citrus fruits and berries can enhance the water with vitamin C, which is known for its role in reducing the risk of cataract formation. This simple yet effective recipe not only keeps you hydrated, but also provides a gentle influx of nutrients essential for eye health. Sip on this infused water throughout the day to help flush out toxins and keep your eyes well lubricated and sparkling. It's a simple step with profound benefits for your eye health. Number 5. Lastly, let's explore eye exercises and relaxation techniques. While our diet plays a crucial role in eye health, physical exercises tailored for the eyes can also significantly improve vision clarity. Techniques such as palming, where you warm your hands and cover your closed eyes, help relax the eye muscles and reduce strain. Regular practice of focusing exercises like shifting focus from near to far objects can enhance the flexibility of the eye muscles. Incorporating these simple exercises into your daily routine can lead to noticeable improvements in vision and eye health. Let's take a moment each day to focus on our eyes, which tirelessly help us navigate the beauty of the world. There you have it. Natural recipes and tips to help you achieve clear eyesight. Incorporate these into your daily routine for better eye health and improved vision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to Wellness Galore for more health and wellness tips. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Stay healthy and take care.